I sit, so lonely hearted. I can't get this haircut started. My clipper blades, they just won't cut. Now I'm stuck here in this rut. So I took a chance, gave a call. Clouds styling, sharpening, they answered all. They talked me through every question I had. Their advice was rad, now I'm no longer sad. Now I'm no longer sad. CDS showed me how to keep them sharp. Oil my blades, no waterproof top. I love the price, no rolling the dice. Sharp blades every time now, ain't that nice? So I took a chance, gave a call. Clouds styling, sharpening, they answered all. They talked me through every question I had. Their advice was rad, now I'm no longer sad. Now I'm no longer sad. CDS showed me how to keep them sharp. Oil my blades, no waterproof top. I love the price, no rolling the dice. Sharp blades every time now, ain't that nice? So I took a chance, gave a call. Clouds styling, sharpening, they answered all. They talked me through every question I had. Their advice was rad, now I'm no longer sad. Now I'm no longer sad. Saving dimes and my blades stay prime. Thanks to CDS, I'm cutting fine. No more worries, no more strife. Sharp blades every time, that's the life. So I took a chance, gave a call. Clouds styling, sharpening, they answered all. They talked me through every question I had. Their advice was rad, now I'm no longer sad. Now I'm no longer sad. With CDS I found my groove. My clippers cut, they always prove. Thanks to clouds down at Sharpening's aid, every haircut's a perfect grade.
In a realm of blades and shears, where tradition and expertise appear, a family legacy passed down through the years. Grandfather and father, sharpeners of renown, traveling from town to town, their skills were handed down. Clouds, diamond, sharpening, a name you can trust. For your clipper blade sharpening, choose us, you must. With a history so rich and a service so grand, we'll keep your equipment cutting just as planned. Oil then blade in your clipper, we'll love you. Sharpen those blades, your clipper's heart will sing. Grandfather Oliver, an engineer with a vision, crafted a machine with precision, a revolutionary decision. A wheel designed for a longer lasting edge, lifting 100 diamond grains, a pledge, a flawless finish is privilege. In the heart of Dallas, Fort Worth, a business took flight. My father, George, the blade guy, a delight, a magnetic personality, and expertise so vast. Sadly, in 2016, he breathed his last. Down George, a hero, an inspiration. His legacy lives on in our dedication. Gone but never forgotten, his spirit remains. Every blade we sharpen, his memory sustains. I am Nick George, proud owner, third generation, offering exceptional services, a standing ovation. Clipper blade sharpening, scissor shear refining, hair clipper repair, your tools I'm aligning. The top brands like Andis, Oscar, Lister, Double K and more. As a lead technician, my skills are hard to ignore. From repairs to scissors to clipper blades, my family sharpening legacy never fades. So here's to stunning haircuts, to clients in awe. With clouds, diamond sharpening, we'll handle it all. Your tools are our priority, your satisfaction our goal. In the world of sharpening, we're on a roll. Oil and blade and your clipper will love you, and it will save you money. I love you all. I love you all. I love you, oil. In the heart of Dallas, Fort Worth, a busy supply, nothing of a thought. So the blade plus the blade guide to life. A magnetic personality, and it's what she's so fast. Sadly, in 2016, teen reads disaster. El George, a hero, an inspiration. His legacy lives on in our dedication. Gone but never forgotten, his spirit remains in every blade we.
Well, I've got these clippers shining bright. Gonna trim some hair with sharp blades, make it look just right with these. But before I start, there's a rule of obey. Gotta oil those blades, keep the rust away. Oil your blades every night and day. Keep them running smooth, no hair in the way. They will stay sharp as long as they can, and your clipper will love you. Oil your blades, let the clippers glide. A little drop of oil makes the cut just right. I love you, oil. You don't want your clippers to snag and pull, leaving patches in your hair looking like a fool. Just a drop of oil, it'll do the trick. Keeps the blade sharp and your cuts are slick. Oh, your blades every night and day. Keep them running smooth, no hair in the way. They will stay sharp as long as they can, and your clipper will love you. Oh, your blades, let the clippers glide. A little drop of oil makes the cut just right. I love you, oil. Snag and pull, leave the patches in your hair looking like a fool. Just a drop of oil, it'll do the trick. Keeps the blade sharp and your cuts are slick. Oh, your blades every night and day. Keep them running smooth, no hair in the way. They will stay sharp as long as they can, and your clipper will love you. Oh, your blades, let the clippers glide. A little drop of oil makes the cut just right. I love you, oil. So Grab's Diamond Sharpening recommends to oil your blades. So use that oil to get a smooth, clean fade. Now use that oil, don't you forget. A little bit of oil, it's your best bet. Keeps those clippers purring like a cat. And your haircuts, man, they'll be where it's at. Beautiful, I tell you. Oh, your blades every night and day. Keep them running smooth, no hair in the way. They will stay sharp as long as they can, and your clipper will love you. Oil your blades, let the clippers glide. A little drop of oil makes the cut just right. I love you, oil. So grab your oil and don't you wait. Oil those blades before it's too late. Don't let them blades get hot, you don't have to oil a lot. Keep them sharp, keep them clean, and your clippers will be the best you've seen. Oil is your best friend. Ask Cloud Diamond Sharpening for some, and they will send you some. Well, oil your blades every night and day. Keep them running smooth, no hair in the way. They will stay sharp as long as they can, and your clipper will love you. Oil your blades, let the clippers glide. A little drop of oil makes the cut just right. I love you, oil. Now yours are grow oil, and don't you wait. Oil those blades before it's too late. Don't let them blades get hot. You don't have to oil a lot. Keep them sharp,
Keep them clean, and your clippers will be the best you've seen. Oil is your best friend. Ask Cloud Diamond Sharpening for some, and they will send you some.